Hello, in this video, we will see how to use the voice services of MSG91. Log into your MSG91 account and select Numbers. Click on the subscription option. To subscribe to a number that will be assigned to your voice services. Now, go to the voice channel from the dashboard. Go to the Files section and click on the Add File button to create a voice file. Give it a name. You can upload it from your system or can use the text-to-speech option. Select the language you want to be used from the options given. And give the content to be narrated. You can use the Play on Browser option for hearing a preview. Click on the Save button to save the file. The status of the file will be shown as pending and will automatically update in some time. Now, go to the Template section to create a template and click on the Add Template button. Give it a name and set the message by using the @ symbol for adding a file and the # symbol for adding a numeric variable. Adding text variables will soon be live, till then you can contact our support for it. Set the variable type as number or currency and check the As Digits box if you wish the numbers to be narrated individually. Use the test option to check it. Once done, click on the Save button. For using IVR, go to the Flow section from the sidebar and click on the New Flow button. Give it a name and select the time zone as per which you want the flow to be executed and save it. Click on the plus icon to add a node. In the Playback option, select a file that will be heard by the user and save. With the Number Input node, you can give number input options to the user. Select the file to be played before the input by the user. Select the wait time in seconds by which it should wait to play for the input before playing the playback again. Provide the maximum number of digits acceptable in the number input, for example, single-digit number, double-digit number, and likewise. Provide the maximum number of attempts to be allowed to the user for the number input and save. The node for menu conditions will allow you to add all the possible number inputs. Click the plus icon to add more input values and save. Then, add the node as per the action to be executed for the inputs. With the Ring Group option, you can choose if the call should be connected to an agent or a team and select them. Don't forget to save the node settings. Drag the nodes for a better view. With the Time Conditions node, you can add specific days. And start and end time conditions for a node. They will work as per the time zone selected for the flow. Use the plus icon for multiple time frames. And save once set. Then, add the node action to be executed for the time condition set. You can add a default action to the menu condition node, which will be executed when the input entered by the user will not match with the set of inputs given by you. A default action can also be added for the time condition node to be executed in case the incoming time condition is not matched with the one set. The webhook option will allow you to provide a callback URL on which you will receive the data on the flow execution. You can use the headers, body, and response index options to get the desired data. Now, go to the Numbers section and click on the pencil icon of the caller ID. In the Flow drop-down, select the Direct option for directing the call to an agent, the Team option for directing the call to a team, the Flow option to enable a flow, and the No Flow option for no action. Then, select the desired agent or team or flow from the Assign to drop-down and click on the Save button. You can find the logs of the inbound and outbound calls in the Logs section in the sidebar along with their details like duration, charge, recording, etc. You can also filter the logs data as per the requirement. Check our API documentation for the different voice APIs. Get the auth key of your account from the auth key section and use it here. In the Voice SMS API, enter the voice template ID, which is the template name, the caller ID assigned to you, the client number on which you want to call, the webhook callback URL, if any, to receive reports of your call, and the name and values for the variables used in the template with their type. If you wish the numbers to be narrated individually, please pass the as digits parameter as true. For the currency parameter, give the currency name too. Once done, click on the Try It button. Now, let's see the Execute IVR API. Enter the flow name, caller ID, client number, and the callback URL if any, and hit it for the flow to be executed for that number. In the Click to Call API, you can enter both side numbers which you want to connect. Both calls will be generated from the caller ID assigned to you. Enter the caller ID, the number where the first call will go in the destination field. The destination B will have the number or list of numbers where calls will go one by one after the call is picked by the person on the first destination. Give a callback URL if any, and hit the Try It button. We hope this video will help you to set up and use the voice service easily and quickly.